I'm just telling him.
Are you recording it? Are you recording
That's
it now?
crazy.
Dude, I don't know.
Just do it.
Why don't you wait till the bright light of day?
No, just do it.
You have milk.
He's recording.
Trying to ghost pepper a tiny bit.
Ooh.
You need to go to the hospital. It's not that far. Run. Take a gallon of milk with you and just run into the emergency room door and say,
Is it even hot?
it's gonna be.
Not really.
It's gonna be. You look like Sean right now.
Take a bigger bite.
Oh.
Do it.
He can do what he wants. He doesn't need to go emergency room.
I don't need your advice.
Okay,
You
remember
don't need
that.
your mouse advice.
It doesn't kill anyone.
Don't.
Hasn't killed one yet.
It hasn't killed him.
Hey mom, if I ever hit 1,000 subscribers, can I do this?
If it ever hits 2.
I didn't hear a no.
Yeah.
I don't know what's gonna happen. So I don't want
It's
to eat
gonna
it.
kill you.
It'll probably
Hey.
kill me.
Hey, I see videos on YouTube. It doesn't. It's like just.
Oh! Oh!
You took a big chunk out of that. Not that big of a chunk. Nothing.
It doesn't taste good at all.
What does it taste
Swallow,
like?
swallow, swallow it. Oh.
No, it doesn't taste good at all. That's pretty hot though.
Oh, yeah, it's of course. He took like half of it, almost. We should play some. We should play Smite.
Just take the biggest chunk you could ever taste.
Dude, that's already hot.
Oh. Is it burn?
A little bit.
A little bit.
But he's chugging milk.
You should give me an ice cube.
Just take the whole bag.
Here's some more milk for you.
Hey, what if someone ate all of these at once? Just like.
Just give me a single ice cube.
That's more than single.
Here's a single ice cube. Here's some more ice cubes.
Does it burn that bad? I can't. My mom says no.
But you're already at 1,000 subscribers.
I have 74.
My leg hurts.
If I get
Oh,
more
actually touching
subscribers than PewDiePie, I'm gonna dump a whole bag in my mouth. I'm gonna drink bleach on camera. I'm gonna drink bleach. Then after that, I'm gonna put like five of them in my mouth. Then after that, I'm gonna get the hardest one. You need a toothpick. Just dump it in my mouth. And then before you know it, I'll be dead. And I'll get like 900,000 million views.
900,000 million views.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you gonna die? I think he's gonna die. We need to take him to
It's
emergency.
candy. Mm. We should do a prank where we put a.
Not sponsored, by the way.
We should put a prank where we put a pepper in someone's something. Like just
someone's
like
milk.
sprinkle it.
We should put the ghost pepper in someone's milk.
Just like sprinkle it. Or like sprinkle
In
it.
their milk.
We'll put it like on a pizza or something. Just like get something. Just like sprinkle.
My dad ate 2 bags of ghost pepper chips.
Like wasn't it really hot?
No, it wasn't. To him, at least.
Did you try any?
No. Yeah, I tried one. I was like, it was burning. It was like. It's technically a ghost pepper, but it's shaped as a chip. That's all.
Go. I'm gonna try it now.
No, I can't. My mom says no. I don't want to disobey my mom. Okay. Now time for the big bite. Hey, YouTubers did it. What happened to them? Next day, nothing.
Next day, their butt was on fire.
It still hurts though.
Bailey, your butt's gonna be on fire tomorrow.
Watch
He
it.
just ate the whole ghost pepper.
What? He did?
Yeah, he did.
He just took one and ate it? I thought that was an ice cube.
No.
Hey, open your mouth. That's an ice cube.
Did he eat it?
He spit.
He has.
Try it.
No.
Come on, don't disappoint us.
Yeah, you butt.
Come on. Let them go.
My foot. Stop. Do it.
10.
Looks like it's 10:45. I'll do it.
What time is it right now?
10:43.
2 more minutes.
Maybe.
Hold on.
10:44.
Hold on.
This is gonna be interesting.
How far did? Yeah. Further again.
Ready.
We're ready. It's time.
Come on.
Come here, then.
What?
Okay. 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 Okay.
It's almost. It's time for the 4.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
10.
Okay.
It's 10:44.
All right. All right. Okay. Okay.
Ready.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Time for the 4.
All right. What?
10:45.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's 10:45. See?
I just saw it. It said 10:45.
No.
It's 10:45.
Yep.
What's it? No, all of it.
All of it.
All of it? No.
Yeah, you said all of it.
Okay. I'll eat all of it if you try to bite it.
No.
So a dot.
Now here's bite.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, he'll take a minor bite.
You don't have to take all of it. Just take that much. Yeah, that's good. Is it hot? Really hot?
Eat it, eat it, eat it. Biting. Don't spit it out. Spit it. Don't spit it out. Eat it. Chew it. Swallow. Swallow. Swallow
Don't
it.
swallow it.
Guys, we're just about to leave. Oh wait, no, it's copyright, but yeah, we're just coming back. We're just getting back, and it is 2:25 in the morning. Okay, it's 2:25 in the morning, and we're just about to leave. So we're probably not even gonna get back till 3:30. Because in fact, we're in P right now, and we're trying to get to Chamberlain. But yeah. Hope you guys all had a great day. And that's gonna wrap up this video. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed, and we will see you guys in the next video.